see what activities we can do in our part B, practical part B. So I think by after this lecture, you will get clear cut idea what activities you can plan for your practical part B. You have to complete six experiments from part B, and few are compulsory, three are compulsory, and three are your optional. So you can consider that. So today's lecture is plan on various activities for your overall development. So I welcome all of you in my today's morning lecture. I think it's your first lecture. So very great morning to all of you. Welcome in my lecture. You might have seen this phrase, I hear and I forget. Means when I hear, I forget. When I see, I remember. By seeing, we will remember more than just hearing. I already told you, when we see the picture, then our retention is maximum. So it is said that I hear, I forget. I see and I remember. But when I do, I understand. So instead of only hearing in the lecture, it's required that you will see something in the lecture. And that's why we are just focusing on videos and just showing you in picture form. And in conventional room teaching, classroom teaching, this is rarely used, means showing you videos and the picture. But I think there are number of advantage in online teaching. I asked you in last lecture, but you could not tell me advantage of online lecture. But I find number of advantages are there. So we have to focus on advantage and we have to just concentrate on that, how we can do maximum best in our online teaching and learning. So when I see and I remember, but when I do, I understand, and therefore I always used to have activities in my lectures, and now it has become part of your syllabus. So whatever is part practical B, it is newly introduced, and I am very happy that it is now part of the curriculum and marks are also kept. Without marks, students used to do, but now you will benefit as marks are kept. So here, when you do, you will understand in more better way. So therefore, whenever we plan our learning objectives or educational objectives, because we need to plan our lecture, session plan, lecture plan, teaching plan, we have to remember what you would like to know. Means cognitive. Cognitive means just discussions. I am telling and you are listening. So this is just knowing. You are knowing about the material. But when you will do something, it is skill based, psychomotor. Your hand motions are there, your body motions are there. So psychomotor domain is there. So when only by listening we will jump into doing something in class, then we just focus on development of our skills. So you should not focus on your only Gokampatti knowledge, but you should focus on developing your abilities, different abilities, communication abilities, your confidence, your another using advanced tool usage. So when you will do, then only your skill will get developed. And third dimension, which is very higher dimensions, and I am focusing it even if you are now college students. Generally, this dimension is focused in the children, nursery, high school. But I think that this is very important for the professional colleges like engineering too. So this is feeling, what you feel, what you behave, what is your behavior, attitude, your appreciation, ideas, affections. There has to be bonding between you and me. So that feeling is very important. So therefore, we must focus on these dimensions also. So if we see, if we are planning any sessions, teaching method is very important. Learning activities are very important. And not only activities are important, but assessment of activities is also important. And fortunately, we have now marks for the part term practical part B. So if we see, already I am telling you, just head is not sufficient to use in the class. Your hand should be there. So head, hand and heart. So always focus on 3H, yourself also and myself also. Yesterday In last lecture, one student, I don't know name because I can't identify right now. So he was asking questions, 2 questions. So I'm very thankful to him because he made the session interactive and he did not keep his doubt with him, but he asked. So that is what it is important, that you will involve every organ, at least head, hand and heart in the class. So make your sessions, teaching, learning session very active. Myself, I will try. Yourself also, you will try. So skills we have to focus, knowledge we have to focus, and behavior we have to focus. So I have planned material science in that way. So what knowledge should students possess? So what knowledge you require? What you should do in class? And what skills should be developed? Because there is a lot of need. If you'll see, engineering education is transforming at a faster rate, and therefore all types of transformations are required. You know what I am seeing this COVID-19 time period? I see this is a cosmic demand, and the cosmos has made us tremendous change. It has drifted us towards that, because see how this teaching immediately converted into online teaching. Otherwise it would have taken at least 1 year slow change, because again whenever change is there we resist change, we don't like change. So but this COVID-19 situation without any alarm made us to change drastic changes in our lifestyle, in our teaching, learning, examinations. Why it has happened? Because there is a tremendous need for the transformation of teacher to facilitator. Now forget the days will change, because why you will attend Dr. Mangal's lectures? Why you should attend Mangal's lectures? You attend, number of teachers are there teaching material science. You are also posting me, can you do this course? I am also telling you do the material science, another courses. So now it has become a global classroom, not AISSMS. And why you only will attend my lecture? Why AISSMS? Why not other colleges from Pune University? Why not other students from the globe? So it has made drastic changes, open classroom, and teacher has to become facilitator, because whenever teaching is there, teaching is one way. Teacher will go on telling, students will go on listening. But when facilitator role is there, teacher has to make students facilitator. Means students should work as a teacher, or a lot of facilities teacher should tell the students, and students should use that facility. Then only overall development will take place. Then again, transformation of instructional environment is required, because earlier used to be four walls classroom, and that four wall classroom teaching is different. But nowadays this teaching room classroom is changed from restricted to flexible. You can sit anywhere. Somebody might be listening my lecture by sleeping. Somebody might be listening my lecture in balcony, garden. So it has made flexible. So if you'll see, this was the conventional. Actually, it was supposed not this way, but there was transformation requirement from this to this, and this to now it we had jumped like this. So yesterday I just listened one news. Have you watched? I don't know that Reliance news that they have made glass. What glass? Augmented glass. So in that augmented glass, you will just see all the virtual attendees with you also. And augmented reality means just use that glass goggle and you will feel its virtual presence also. For example, with the augmented reality, suppose I am wearing glass and I am observing my book picture of the pump. That pump will start rotating. I can observe what is happening in the pump, how it works, motor, anything. So augmented reality has made us possible. So whatever you and I am doing now, online teaching learning, next stage ahead, Reliance has announced yesterday. In the year 2021, it will start. So be ready for that. This is nothing what we are learning and why what I am teaching, it is nothing, just higher rate transformation is going to happen and drastic changes are going to happen. So we should be ready for that. So transformation of instruction methodology has to be there. So teacher center to learner center. So if I am telling you all the things, that means I have focused myself. But when you are doing all the things in the lectures, then it is focused on you, learner center. Transformation of instructional materials from notebook to digital form. So you need not write down in your paper. I told you, you make a material science separate notebook, but directly you can just go on using digital form. You can watch my lecture on PC, laptop. You can just type in mobile or reverse way. See, now I am sitting with the three devices. One is PC, another is laptop, third is mobile, and I use sometimes a number of devices in my lecture also. So if you can open your digital notebook from the Microsoft itself, you will go on writing the notes and the memory map there. I can see your notes, and benefit will be no other class students can see your notebook. Only I can see that notebook. So that way, if you don't want to share or some hesitation is there, it can happen. So you just open the notebook in Microsoft also, start learning to use that. So that will be also there. So what I want to say, now convert your writing materials, convert your learning materials. Now you don't watch book, read book. You just prefer to read digital media. That way you just change your notebook pattern also. That I want to say. Now transformation of instructional aid from chalkboard to the smart board. Now I will say not smart board, but online teaching. We have started Zoom and Microsoft, different devices we are using. I already presented this lecture in the first lecture. You just watch it again because you need to plan, and nobody has written what assignments are asked. First assignment is your video making lecture introduction. Second assignment is teaching plan. Write down. You are forgetting again and again, dear students. Write down in notebook. Second assignment is your planning. Not teaching plan. Planning for this semester and planning for the 3 years. So use this circle and divide and make your plan for this semester, and make your plan for whole 3 years, and I need that as your second assignment. Okay, so you do that. And CAS model. What is CAS? Continuous assessment sheet. So how term work marks will be given for all the subjects? We have introduced new portfolio. So what is portfolio? Portfolio is a collection of artifacts, demonstration of your skills, personal characteristics and accomplishments created by the students. Suppose part B practical would not have been there. So how I would have assessed your AMS journal? I would have given one activity to you perform under the portfolio. So what role was asked to you? Depending upon that, whole college we have just focused on this. 10 marks will be based on portfolio. So the journal marks are divided like this: attendance 5 marks, experimental write up your journal work 10 marks, and performation, how you perform every experience 10 marks. So 25 marks will be based on your journal experiment performation. 10 marks from the mock oral. At the end or 1 or 2 times in semester, mock oral will be taken and 10 marks will be given, and portfolio will be there for all subjects and 10 marks will be given, and ethics, behavior, values, attitude will be assessed for 5 marks. So 25 marks based on practical, and these are 25 marks. So out of 50, then it can be find out for the 25. So what can be portfolio for other subjects? Suppose you don't have material part B or for another subjects, then portfolio means your innovative assignments. It can be taken in the form of competitions. So material display board. Suppose for material science, you can make materials on wooden board. You go on writing all the ideas. It is not only just for listening, because you need to think on that and then complete the 6 activities. So just you take a wooden board and just attach some different insulating materials on that, write down their names, prepared for properties and present it your board. So that is called as display board. It may not be wooden board. You can just take a chart paper and just attach all resistive materials or conductive materials. Go on writing this. So that is called as tableau. So we can display it in our lab. So that will be your activity, but you need to prepare properties, characteristics, and applications. Now it is your choice. You can select any one material from any one unit, any conducting material you can take, any insulating, not any one, but any one unit you can consider. Conducting material unit you can consider, magnetic material unit you can consider, and you can prepare a good table from the scrap materials. So don't purchase it, just use the scrap materials. Like fuse is there, so fuse is base is made up of what? That material you can just fuse. Conducting material is there, wire. So you can make it a mix also. So that will be very good activity. Then prototype model. Already I told you, because we need to prepare prototype model, mini projects. I will show you what you can do under this. Then case study, research paper. Now it has become part of your syllabus. Okay. So research paper you will do, case study you can present, scrapbook manuals. What is this scrapbooks or manual? You don't use in this board or chart paper, but you prepared a booklet. Suppose 10 pages you will make in the notebook, and first page is made up of conducting material or wool, like cotton you will press it, then means cotton wool you will press it. You write down characteristics below that. Then you attach some aluminum wire, attach some copper wire, write down applications and characteristics. Means I told you memory map. You draw memory map there. So it will be very good scrapbook after 10 pages. And that way it will be very presentable form to all other students, will be also benefited, next year students, if we'll keep it in the lab. Then chart, poster, simple, you know the chart, how to make poster. You can do that way. If you are good in sketching, you can create charts by drawing, by memory map also you can present it on your chart. Different sketch pen colors you can use it. So that way you can just do this activity. Then virtual lab. So there are number of experiments virtually available. Just visit that virtual lab, because now this we are starting activity number 13, and in activity number 13 you need to use modern tool usage. So virtual lab can be considered. Don't all of you consider only doing the certificate course. I will not allow for all students to do the certificate course. If you cannot do such innovative things, then only you do certificate course related to material science. Otherwise, don't select that option. Okay, so virtual lab you just keep in the Google form, virtual lab for material science. Visit that, only 5 to 10 minute job, you can complete that. Then safety activity you can collect, social awareness drive you can make. This is vacant, so you can think it in an innovative way. What can be apart from this? YouTube you can create. If you will make your video own, you can post it on YouTube. Online materials you can use, website you can use, courses already I told, video itself you can prepare. So if you are good in animations, prepare this. You can think simple way, animated PPT. So PPT can be also made with lot of advanced softwares. Google slide you can use. Another advanced, or even PPT means Microsoft PowerPoint you can use with advanced features. Make animations there. That can be also consider uses of ICT or modern tool usage. So that activity already I announced, and you have to complete within next week. Okay. Then brainstorming. Brainstorming means you can just discuss the number of things in the class, making other people's to think. Role play also you can do. Then quiz, games, row and column competition, treasure hunt, debate. I will show you question answers, questions answers. Any question is up to now? I want to ask you any question you have, students?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
I'm going to
any question you have?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, what's the? It's not clear.
What's
Most
not?
of the
Hello.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, in part B, which activities we have to do? The students are not clear about that.
That is why I'm taking this lecture. I am asking you any question is there up to now which PPT I shared you. Whatever I discussed just now, any question is there based on that?
Ma'am,
Ah.
have a question about research paper. Ma'am, do we have to actually publish it in the journal, or do we have to just write the research paper for sake of our practice or getting idea about the research paper?
See, writing research paper is there. Either you have to present it or you have to publish it. So that we'll see. First step is to write the paper. So that's why I have started it making group. Okay, based on my earlier PPT, whether you have any doubt. Okay, I will go ahead because I have to show you. So game you can consider playing game. Now think, pair and share is the game. Means just you make one student form a group, form a pair, and then you share something. So that way game you can just go on writing, and this video also you can watch again and again. So this way you can plan with your partner any activity. Then see one earlier, this means these two students they had prepared for the activity online quiz, and they had prepared online quiz, and that was based on the time limit. So all these are winners, and with using time slots we conducted that, they only conducted online quiz, and then they generated the certificates for the ranker. So this can be one activity. Go on writing the activity online quiz with certificates, and themselves they had managed to give the gift to the winners. Actually, I also arranged, but this time students only had arranged. They gave the gift to the winners. Okay, that way you can plan one activity. Then another activity I told you already, crossword. You take any one unit or any one part of your choice. Suppose materials used in transformer, and prepare the crossword on that. And there are also tools, means apps are there. Computer apps are there to generate crosswords. Okay, use that app, crossword generation, and just put some questions related to any topic of your choice, and you can just conduct this quiz. Now in online we'll see how to do that. Like Google form we will share this crossword in Google form, and by using time we can take it. There is no limitation for online. You just think of doing this crossword, and I will guide you all the activities, but it is up to you. You have to select activities. Okay, so portfolio, one student took this giving the description of the theory, because there are number of theories in material science, how ionization takes place. So she had informed it in a chart form. So see how she had performed it. So I think video is not playing. She painted it number of 3 theories, and just she revised it. What are the theories? And see whatever she did it in her room. Photographs are also required, and that way you can also plan it. Lunar studies best see the lightnings and thunder. When we see lightning, it is actually the electrons that are due to. So think, pair and share. You can take with your partner or alone. That we'll see whether that activity is required alone, individual, or with partner. So think and share you can consider, or just representing any technique in the theory by painting or by chart. Like this one student selected environment care, because that we have to also think depending upon the remaining POs, safety or social, then sustainability. Like that you can do the paintings and you can share. Now question will come, how we can share? Like I am sharing you can share online. Okay, now this safety activity student had taken, and they played a drama to create the awareness about the safety for MSCDCL. MSCB, you know, so distribution company. So they had presented it for the workers and other peoples about the safety concerns. So I don't know why videos are not playing. That way also you can think, and then this game sticky notes can be there. So whatever I'm taking the lecture. See, he had written poem. Now today I got one message that his poem he has shared. Just now before lecture I saw that. Please go on sharing. Don't share me personally. Please go on putting in your group so that other students will also know. And I am finding lot of difficulty by personal sharing. My already I am telling you other work is going on, and WhatsApp mails are also flooded. So use only our classroom platform. Otherwise, from today, I am not considering your messages if you will post me personally. If only any secret private message is there, then only you just post it. Now the student who shared the poem, why he shared me personally, I don't know. Post it on the group. This is the opportunities to share your skills, your talent with your class also. So Venkatesh, I think he has posted, because I don't have your names also. So it's very difficult. So he has written poem technically. Just listen that. You can do that way. Whatever is your skills, you can think that way. Okay. So just listen it. समोर किती हाय इम्पीडन्स दिसला तरी तो रस्ता सोडून लो इम्पीडन्स वाला रस्ता धरायचा आहे. आपल्याला आयुष्यात करंट सारखं बनायचं आहे. जीवनाच्या प्रवासात कधी कधी रागाचा ओव्हर करंट झाला की क्रूज सारखा मित्र आपल्या सोबत ठेवायचा आहे. आपल्याला करंट सारखं बनायचं आहे. आपल्याला करंट सारखं बनायचं आहे. आपले पोटेन्शियल पण आहे आणि आपला शिकायचं व्होल्टेज पण आहे. 5 व्होल्टच्या छाती इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सकडे आपल्याला बघायचं पण नाही. So you just see that poem you can make in your own mother tongue. That is not a barrier. Language barrier will not be there. Now column games. Now this will be difficult in online, but also we can do it. So some columns we can make 1 point. Suppose I will give advantages of conducting material. They need to go on writing the points. We can use our notebook also now, Microsoft notebook, or in your own notebook you just go on writing the points, and then competitions will be there between different column to column. Like that we can make the groups also. You have your roll numbers, and I can make it online or you can make yourself. That way also we can use. Now this was yes and no game. Just ask the questions whose answers will be either yes or no, and the students played it very nicely. So like this, you can think this student only had decided that they will play yes and no game, and it was very fantastic. All the students enjoyed, and again you can see they just enjoyed a lot. Yes and no game. Then catch up games you remember, because I will start now playing this game in my online sessions also. So catch up. When I will say now catch up games, share your views with your partner. So what you had to do, you had to immediately select your partner, and you have to discuss what points I have discussed. Catching up means you have to check whether your partner understood all the concepts or no, and then what was the missing. So if suppose I am talking with Mr. A, then Mr. A will forget whatever a few points was discussed. Then he will get catch up with my level. So catch up games means what? Pulling our colleague, pulling our partner to our level. So that time I will start now onwards this game in our online session. So now you have to think how you will share with your partner. That I will not tell you. That should be creative. There are different means to share with you. So we'll play this game in next lecture, catching up. Now, then stump your partner. Another game is stump your partner. That also I will play. You can also think that way, playing this such a type of game in your class. Like you can say, Madam, I will take activity on game and we'll play games in class. Fine. On your topic, suppose you have selected insulating materials. Okay, you play games in the class. That will be your activity. But there is double meaning. I am going to also play this in my session. So stump your partner means now suppose go on asking question, and partner should remain unanswered. So that is the game, and we'll see who is the winner. So stump your partner. Okay, but you have to think another game, not this game. That is one. If you are planning activity, you just plan different. Innovation should be there, or combination what I told you, and you have some additions in that. Then this is a game of riddles. Means कोडी घालायची कोडी. कोडी मराठीत असतील, इंग्लिश मध्ये असतील, हिंदी मध्ये असतील. 3 लैंग्वेज यू कैन कंसिडर. So riddles, now see what are the riddles. करंट को रोके वो है हम, वोल्टेज को भी ड्रॉप करे इतना है दम. आप ही बताओ कौन हूं मैं. सो अगर ढूंढना चाहते हो मेरा नाम तो याद करो आर्किमिडीज का काम. उसको वो दो लफ्ज सुलझा देंगे सब कुछ. जो दफनाकर भी जल्दी नहीं मिटता, हर नेचर लवर के दिमाग में मैं हूं खटकता, वो चीज बनी है मुझसे. Like that you can create. So we enjoyed. These are for material science students only. You might be knowing their names. And after all the games or some beautiful, funny, enjoyable sessions we used to celebrate. This was treat from myself. So then another game is memorization retention. Now you have come to know how memorization retention game can be played. So I will just go on asking you retain the points and come here ahead and tell how you retain the points. So she shared, and beautiful other students also could learn what are the different tactics we can use for retention. So classifications there, because material science number of things are descriptive. And there is no understanding part, घोकंपट्टीचा पार्ट आहे. मग घोकंपट्टीच्या पाठाला काय केलं पाहिजे, वेगळ्या वेगळ्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी घेतल्या तर तुमच्या लक्षात चांगलं राहणार. सो दॅट वे आय एम प्लॅनिंग. Now dumb sharas. This is the game dumb sharas. So this was also very beautifully played by the students in material science class. Just do any actions mimicry and let the other students identify that. Now it is also possible in virtual. Just focus your camera beautiful and play that. So that way also you can manage. So that was also very good. Then treasure hunt. In the treasure hunt, these students had asked this with the cheats, bring some materials, and the groups were used to run up in the lab finding the things. Now not direct material, characteristics was informed, that resistance and conductance characteristics, and students brought some materials of that conductivity. See the joy with the groups, and then we declared the winner group also. So that way can be there. Then any memory map also can be activity. We can just ask to draw memory map. Memory map competition also you can take yourself for the class for any one topic. You just present your topic and ask them to create memory map with 2-3 students together. So this was prepared by so this was made by student only, because he came to know it was made by Anto. because he came to know I am going to present this in the faculty development. See, based on all these our classroom activity, I presented one session in our national faculty development program, took place in the June first week, and that session was so fantastic. All teachers, 500 teachers from all over India and abroad also, to 3 international countries also attended that faculty my lecture, and they like so much that I have started getting invitations to train their faculty, to conduct for their teachers. So I conducted 12 sessions, one at Jaipur 3 days, Jaipur College, then one at Nagpur College 2 days, then Jai Hind College. So teachers are feeling too much interesting, and this is the need of the time also. So directors, principals of institute, they invite me to tell them teachers how we can make our teaching enjoyable or in a very active way, because it is required for NBA also. They do ask how differently we are teaching. So are you ready now for material science? Are you ready? So you know that already program outcomes already I have presented. Now fifth PO program outcome was modern tool usage. Modern tool usage, now we have concentrated on this activity number 13. So create, select, apply appropriate techniques, resources, modern engineering IT tools, including predictions and modeling. So here either you can select any modern ICT tool available on internet and carry out your activities, or you apply that modern tool usage. Suppose crossword generation software you will use, apply it to create your crossword or create your own modern tool usage. So you can just create your own video, you can create your own animation. So I am going to tell you what can be activity 13. Write down now. Activity 13, virtual lab. First important is virtual lab. So this used to be taken by students, and that opening of the virtual lab, open IIT Kharagpur virtual lab. Write down. Open IIT Kharagpur virtual lab. And there are experiments. Air testing is there with the help of Spear Gap. Only 10 minutes will require you to do this experiment on your mobile. That is also we need to perform in the lab. So Spear Gap you note down, which is from your syllabus. Spear Gap voltmeter. So all of you open IIT Kharagpur website, and then just there everything is written, procedure, and this you need to connect the diagram, circuit diagram, and perform the experiment. Only within 10 minutes you will able to perform the experiment. And then you present to the class how you perform experiment and let them to do that experiment. So students used to do this activity in this way when conventional teaching used to go. See, two students demonstrated to other students. As you can see, we have connected the capacitor. So initially, we are basically what we are doing basically we are charging and discharging capacitor. So that is the basic principle of operation of mark circuit. That means you charge the capacitors in parallel and you discharge the capacitors in series. Okay, means you will take that Spear Gap voltmeter. You do first within 10 minutes you will able to perform that, and then explain to the students theory also, because that is not only mechanical things. You explain the circuit diagram, you explain the component function, and just explain them how you can perform the experiments, and they will perform the experiments. So this used to be earlier. In research or personal research and development. So basically what we can do is we can just use a simulator which is available on this virtual lab. So this simulator is nothing but basically actually in a computer program which gives us output according to the values we set in that particular research. Now challenge is there is no lab, so how you will demonstrate to the students? So this time in lockdown period, I told to Omkar Chavan from B that you do the virtual lab. Then he asked, Madam, I don't have PC because that is difficulty with many students. Your class also started sharing me no PC. See, there should not be any limitations. We are such a creative, wonderful creatures. Why not to use our brain? I said, okay, you do with mobile. I will show you how, I will guide you how to do with mobile. And I told him how to do the screen recording from mobile. You just open your virtual lab, perform your experiment first. And whatever you perform just by screen recording mobile options, you can complete it. So he completed that. Just see that how he demonstrated from going into the website from the Google. So some videos are not playing
Ma'am,
because
your screen is not visible, ma'am.
my screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what you have shown up till
Yes,
now?
ma'am.
It has gone or what?
Nothing.
No, not the thing. I am not shown
Ma'am,
anything.
it is visible.
Yes, ma'am. It is visible. It's
Yes,
visible,
ma'am,
ma'am.
it's visible.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
This means that whoever has told me not visible, your mobile screen has gone. You have to take it ahead. Okay, so this is not playing because I will show you tomorrow. Just whatever way you will go on mobile, and that way should be recorded by screen. So what was the impact? Omkar did this, and then he just launched his own course, how to use PLC, because his project was PLC. So 1 hour course he launched after doing this, and now he is earning in dollars. So you can also do that course. I will post you. I will ask him to create a free link to you, and within 1 hour you can complete. You will get certificate also. So that way his view has become, I think in thousands, 3-4 thousands, might be 7,000. So he has become now course teacher in Udemy, like you are attending course from Coursera. He launched his course on Udemy. So please do his course and see how he could made 1 hour course. So after this, he just jump into this. So that is what these activities are very, very important for your overall development. So virtual lab you can select. Sphere gap experiment is there, then simulation you can select, but I don't know whether you are having skills of simulations. So one student demonstrated
You will
one
see this type of
experiment.
window known as command window. But since we are working on simulation, we have to go in Simulink. Just double click on this. Then it will show you this. From it, you have to simply choose blank model for the new project. So add blank model. It will again take you to this window. From this, you have to click on library browser.
So just simulation or any software you learn yourself and demonstrate to the class. So that will be in activity 13, either any simulation or any another software. Then this was simple presentation on the topic with the mobile. All this means except simulation, all are done on mobile. See, the student also shared a mobile screen and she made PPT. This PPT she made on mobile, you know, and recorded on mobile only.
Hello, I am Runal Thorat and I am going to give information about cascade transformers. In this image, we can see there are two diagrams. To the left hand side is the construction or circuit diagram of cascade transformer, and to the right hand side is the actual implementation of the cascade transformer. So what are cascade transformers? Cascade transformers are basically high voltage transformers which are used in high voltage laboratory for testing purpose. So as they are used for testing purpose, they are subjected to high voltages. So that insulation.
So in activity 13, you can do your PPT in a modern advanced options, and you can present any topic for 10 minutes for the class. So what will happen? Your usage, modern tool usage skill will be developed. You are talking, presenting in front of the class, your boldness, communication skill will increase. So that way it will be different. Now I will tell you remaining activities in tomorrow's. So let us, because I cannot cover all the things in today's session only. So I will cover in tomorrow's session, and we will plan definitely in a good way these activities. can start in better way. And I think by August we will be able to complete this activity, except paper. Paper will take lot of time. So that way I will organize one lecture also. I already told you to attend the certificate course, which is starting on Sunday. Sunday and Monday afternoon is there, Sinhagad. I have posted you link. Just register earlier because you may not get registration if it will be full. So complete registration today only and do that. Okay. Now any difficulties there? You can ask me the doubt now.